doesn't have a ticket?
No. He's just trying to get a picture.
No. Come get a ticket.
Not a ticket.
Come get a picture.
Well, small checklist this weekend. We'll see. It's nice to be here.
You want to ride?
I would miss it for the great weekend it's been here. And so, yeah, we get to do it all again October 24th here, ladies and gentlemen. Another weekend here just before Father's Day, but also first day of summer, so enjoy the longest day of the year.